The cord is a 2-wire 14-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing 1/2 of the rear handle. With the cover removed, I have access to the tool's wiring. I'll go ahead and pull the cord wire away from the housing, as well as the switch. And I'll remove the cord wires. With the cord removed from the switch, I'll also remove the strain relief. Now I can install the new cord. I'll thread the strain reliever over the cord and reinstall the wires to the switch. Now I'll place the switch back into the housing and tuck the wires out of the way. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle housing. And that's how you can install a new cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.